Hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we help you make money without breaking a sweat or even getting out of bed. Because why stand when you can sit, right? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on notification. Trust me, the future self is going to love you, especially your future maybe self. Today, I'm giving you 5 laziest ways to make money using AI. Yep, I'm talking about minimum efforts, maximum results. Whether you're chilling in Lagos traffic or you just can't be bothered to hustle. Yeah, there's some people that are like that. They just cannot be bothered. Even in this economy, they're just like, you know what? All die and I die. Like, I know keep person. Let's move. So yeah, if you're that kind of person, you're the one I'm talking to. These AI tools will help you do all the heavy lifting, and the best part, you don't need any fancy office. All you need is your phone and Wi-Fi. Ready to get lazy? Let's dive in. Lazy money maker number 1. So yeah, picture this. You want to be a writer, but actually writing, nah, too much work, right? That's where AI steps in. Meet ChatGPT. This little AI genius can write entire blog posts, Instagram captions, product descriptions, you name it. It's done in seconds. Trust me. You could literally start a freelance writing gig without typing more than a few words. So when you download the app, it's going to look like this. You can get it from your Play Store or App Store. So you open it like this. It's very simple. The interface is very simple. So you can just ask it whatever you want. For example, you can say, write an Instagram caption about a sunny, just in seconds. Just watch it do its thing, like chasing sunshine and good vibes. You see, instantly, even with hashtag, is that easy. So if you wanted to, you also write like something more serious. Even people for the office, you can write a memo on Nigeria. Something that simple, then you put it, just watch it. So can you see? In seconds, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? That easy. That easy. So, and get this, people will pay you for it. Use sites like Fiverr or Upwork. They offer content writing services, and just let ChatGPT do its thing. No need for you to be the next Shakespeare. Who has time for that, right? If you're like, but what if ChatGPT starts getting tired of doing all my work? Don't worry. It doesn't drink coffee. It doesn't sleep. And it's basically the ideal worker or employee that every CEO or company will like. So trust me, try ChatGPT. Lazy money maker number 2. AI video editing for lazy YouTubers. Guys, I can tell you firsthand, editing videos is a pain. It's really a pain in it. But wait, hold up. I know I'm a new YouTuber and I have only 2 videos uploaded. But guess what? It wasn't easy. I won't even lie to you. You can try it. It was not easy. But then I get it. So what if I told you you could upload a raw footage and your robot will do all the fancy editing while you nap? Yeah, keep your pretty girl face intact. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Anyways, that's where Pictree AI comes in. Right here. Upload your footage, choose a style, and voila! An edited video with transitions, captions, and effects. You're basically a YouTube star now with zero skills required. And Nigerians, I know you love data bundles, so this won't drain all your megabytes either. Start a YouTube channel reviewing Nigerian movies or something fun. Let Pictree AI, do the edits and watch the views and cash rolling. Thank me later. The number 3 lazy money maker is AI social media manager. Because who has time, right? See you guys. Social media management is not easy, but here, come and hear something. Managing social media accounts is a full-time job. If you're a superhuman, but since we're not, let's get AI to do it. Lately AI is your secret weapon here. It schedules posts, analyzes what content works best, and even write captions for you, whether you're managing your own account or you want to become a social media manager. People pay big money for this. Seriously. It's like having a personal account that doesn't ask for jollof rice. Was that funny? Alright. No more stressing over what to post on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or any other social media you use. Lately does it all while you do nothing. It's that easy. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments. Lazy money maker number 4. AI stock trading. Yes, it sounds that easy, and to some extent it's that easy with AI. Let me tell you a secret. Okay, listen closely. If you've ever wanted to trade stocks but don't know how to start, or didn't even want to learn at all, and complicated stock and market stuff, there's AI for that. If you didn't know that, yep, trust me, now there is. We're in the 21st century. Meet Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is a tool that analyzes the market for you and gives you buy and sell signals. You don't have to understand a thing. Trust me, you don't. You don't have to understand a thing about Wall Street. Just follow the AI leads and watch your bank account grow. The best part, you can do this while lying in bed, scrolling TikTok. Let AI make your money work while you rest. Isn't that a dream? Tell me. Now, I'm not saying you will become the next Warren Buffett or something. Next Dangote. See, guys, calm down. I'm not saying that. But it's sure beats not making anything, right? Right? Am I wrong? Yeah, right. No matter how little it is, it's sure it's not making anything. So yeah, try it out. Lazy money maker number 5. AI voiceovers for narrators. My throat. Yeah. You know, ever wanted to make money with voiceovers, but you don't like the sound of your voice? Or maybe you just don't feel like talking. Yeah, there's some people like that. They just can't help it. Good news. AI got you back. With which one now? Let's go. With Morph AI, you can type out whatever you want and it will generate the voiceover that sounds human, like a real human being. You can sell these voices or voiceovers on platforms like Fiverr, creating podcasts, commercials, or audiobooks. People will definitely like it. Wow. Is that your voice? They will just be like, see guys, wait, girl, you're doing so well. Is that your voice? Maybe not the people that are very close to you. I don't know. Anyways, people would definitely be like, wow, your voice is amazing. And you'll be like, thanks. It took 0 effort. Literally. Oh, God. So there you have it. 5 laziest ways to make money using AI. Even if you're in Nigeria, trust me, you can still try this out. Just trying to live your best life or your soft life. Soft girl's life matters. I mean, if you're gonna be lazy, you might as well get paid for it, right? Right? Anyways, drop your comments below. Let me know which one you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe because it will be back. I will definitely be back with more lazy hacks to make money while you're doing basically nothing. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.